Mm. Greetings, people. I am very excited. This is mainly for my guild, but of course anyone will see this because I'm happy as a bird because I got this patch. Oh, go ahead in some way. Aha! A box containing secrets of the underworld. Just the question of how to open the box. Blast! Thank you. I am really excited. So is my family. Open up! Command you! Why the deuce did I have to do this? I'm getting mad. Ah! Look at this, look at this. Ooh! What does it say?
No. Nexus One.
Google Nexus One.
Ah, yeah.
Yes, I got this today, as a matter of fact. Look at this. 8 GB. This little card is the storage. And you can easily upgrade it, downgrade it, you name it. It's possible. We got some cases. I got this from a prize. I got all this from a prize. It's unbelievable. Roar! Some adapters, charger. Excitement. Let's skip the boring stuff. Let's pop up this one. Look at this baby. It's even gorgeous as a package, don't you think?
Yeah.
My brother agrees.
Yeah. Just open it.
Yeah, exactly. I'm working on it. Daha! Check that baby out. I tell you what. I don't like Apple for a reason. Oh my lord. That's the Android logotype. This is the Google Nexus One, and it's run by the Android operative system software. It got a 5 megapixel camera, it got flash, it got 2 microphones, as another fact, someone around here as well, to cancel out sound, all to make it easier to control it by voice. How great is that? How amazing isn't that? Important warranty statement. Look at this. It says important. Come on, focus. There we go. You can see it's not important. Okay, here we got the charger. Indeed, we got some. I believe it's a headphone. I believe so. Maybe not. think I'm not gonna open it just yet. Yeah, it's the headphones, it's the battery. My god, am I happy or am I happy? I think I'm happy, really happy. Greetings mortals, I am just giving you the final summation regarding this video. I would like to apologize for the sound glitches in the beginning. The other computer I was using for that event had some technical issues with me, mainly the webcam, but whatever, it works fine after a moment. Let's sum this up now. Miss Britannia, I'm not gonna even show the umbrella, so just forget about it. This is the thing you will be using, not the umbrella. Okay? Good. This phone is marvelous. If I had a dozen iPhones, I won't take them. I will take this one. This phone is marvelous. I praise it. I enjoy it. I sing songs about it. I do anything possible. And no, I will not sing in this video, because I will not torment you in that way, because I'm a good person. Yep, a good person. Good persons don't sing to others. But this mobile phone, it's just dang. It got so much features. I am in Sweden. It doesn't matter that it is designed for the American users in the States, you know it. It doesn't matter, because the store in this mobile phone, it's just 10,000 another 1,000 of applications, and you can easily find any keyboard you desire. So don't think you're limited to just America just because this isn't shipping to another state by the official Google. You can always find some way. I can even show you if you want to. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna recommend a link. Wrong side, I think some side here. In the description I'm gonna just put up a link to a really good website, just because I want to. And I really say, if you got 500-600 euros to spare, then spend them on this phone. Yeah, it's that great. It really is. I have used it for a good couple of days now. There is nothing I got to complain about it. No, that's one. I thank you for watching this video. I hope that maybe it leads somewhere. Maybe you'll laugh at me, maybe you'll go buy a Google Nexus One. I don't care what. I just hope that you have seen the maker. Now go buy the maker. This is Sudori, over and out.